In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element within your editor for a perfectly customized design. This method is incredibly helpful if you're looking to maintain a consistent layout across different screen sizes, or if you just want to keep certain elements static within your design. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, open your editor and locate the element you want to pin. This could be anything from a text box to an image, or any other component you're working with. Once you've identified the element, position your cursor over it and right-click. This action will bring up a contextual menu with several options related to what you can do with your element. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Pin to Screen and click on it. This feature allows you to make your element fixed, ensuring it stays put even as the rest of your content might shift or change. Next, you'll want to select a position on the grid. This is where the magic happens, as you'll be able to determine exactly where your element will sit on the screen. The grid provides various options, such as top, bottom, left, right, or even centered, giving you flexibility in your design choices. Take a moment to consider where you want your element to visually anchor your design effectively. Once you've decided on a general position, you can further refine the placement with more precision using the horizontal and vertical offset options. You'll notice sliders for both directions under the Set Position section. For a horizontal adjustment, simply drag the slider to the left or right to move your element accordingly. If you prefer to use a specific numerical value for precise placement, type that number into the field beside the slider. This feature is excellent for achieving just the right alignment and can be particularly handy when aligning multiple elements in harmony. Similarly, for vertical adjustments, use the vertical offset slider. Slide it up or down until your element is exactly where you want it. Or, again, input a specific number for that exact positioning. This level of control ensures that your design works seamlessly across different setups, maintaining a professional appearance regardless of where it's viewed. And there you have it, a perfectly pinned element that will remain stationary as other elements move around it on your layout. Experiment with these settings until you find the combination that works best for your project. Pinning elements can significantly elevate your design, providing a structured and organized appearance while offering flexibility as you make changes or updates. Thanks for tuning in today. And now you should have a solid grasp on how to pin an element in your editor, giving you more control and creative freedom over your projects. Happy designing!